Ya has just arrived to Madrid, where she'll be living for a while. Ya is thirsty, but she doesn't know the Spanish word for juice. So she gets out her iPhone and opens Babel, her foreign language learning personal dictionary application. She types in the English word, juice, and presses go. Now that she knows how to say juice in Spanish, she calls over the waiter. She has been practicing her Spanish with her Babel application, so now she has all the vocabulary she needs to ask the waiter for some juice. She orders her juice, and he goes to get it. He comes back with the juice. She continues to use her Babel foreign language learning application by adding a personally relevant hint to go with her new vocabulary word. She takes a photo of the juice and stores it, in conjunction with her new vocabulary term, on her list in the application. Ya enjoys her juice and marvels at her own learning, supported by the Babel application. Later that day, Ya decides to use the flashcards feature of her Babel application to review some of the vocabulary in her personal dictionary. She switches from dictionary mode to flashcards mode and sees her first question. She decides to use her hint to help her remember the Spanish word for love. The text hint says, rhymes with the Spanish word for please. She thinks about it, then remembers the word. She presses OK, then show answer. She answered correctly in her own head, so she grades her answer as a 3 out of 5. The Babel app advances to her next flashcard. Even later that day, Ya decides she'd like to see what hints other people use to remember the Spanish word for juice, which she has learned today. She switches her Babel application from the flashcards mode to social network mode. She selects search hints and decides she would like to look for a top-rated audio hint uploaded by someone else. She plays the first hint aloud on her phone. It says, "Who goes to Jamba Juice?" She decides to use this hint, so she presses OK and then goes back to her list of words.